Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Veronica Angelin Manurung, usually called Veronica. I am 18 years old. I was born in Kuwait on April 11, 2007. I live in Bojonggede. My hobby is swimming, playing badminton, and cooking. Now I am taking job training majoring in hospitality at PPKD South Jakarta. The reason and purpose of me taking this training is because I want to know and learn more about hospitality and working in a hotel. And then I have strength and weakness. My strength are I am friendly, honest, creative, disciplined with time, and my weakness are I am not good at public speaking, overthinking, and afraid to take risks. Thank you.